Today we show you how we dive deep without scuba gear. Alright, it is about 11 meters here.
That's
Do you think that you can?
quite steep, but I think I can make it.
Yeah?
Yes, I'll do my best.
Alright. Good luck.
Yes.
So the first freedive challenge. 11 meter. There she goes. And you made it?
Yeah, 12.4.
12.4. Wow. That's a good start.
Yeah.
Wow.
It didn't seem to be so deep, but keep going and going. The water is so clear.
Let's go together in the water.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now it's my turn to get the same depth. That was not too hard. That was the first challenge.
Yeah.
Are you ready for something deeper?
Yeah, we need to find a deeper place now to see what our limits are.
How you wanna find the limit today?
Yeah, I think like I practiced freediving a little bit last summer in Greece, and then I didn't do it anymore, and now like a few days ago I started practicing again, and actually I don't know what my record is. Like I don't know what my limits are. So.
I don't know what my limits are, so let's check it out. Oh, there's one fisherman here. And it looks really nice. Let's have a look underwater. Maybe it's deep enough here. Let's see. Wow, it's really beautiful. But it's not deep enough. So this piece of coral seems to be very deep. How deep do you think is this?
The bottom around it is going down there. You can just swim as far down as you want.
Marjolein is going to break her record. Are you ready for it? Are you ready?
Almost. I have to get calm now because when I'm too active I can't go deep.
Wow.
On my meter I thought I was only on 12, so I thought I have to go a little bit more, but now it's 17 and a half.
17 and a half? 17 and a half.
Yeah. It's quite deep, eh?
Yeah.
Last summer I was very happy with 7.
But can you tell me why you use the weight?
It is to make it easier to go down. because without the weight I would float very much, and you have to struggle against that all the time. So with the weight you can go very relaxed.
How many kilograms do you have?
3. I have 3 now.
That's nice. If you do freediving, it's really good to move very slowly and to have a lot of air in your body. So just before I go, I take a lot of air, like hyperventilating, and then it's easier for me to go deeper. So yeah, and it's the most important thing to stay relaxed. Like even if you go more than 10 meters, just relax and keep making slow movements, and then it helps you to get deeper. That was very deep. 21.7. Wow. That is a 58 seconds, like 1 minute.
Man, I almost couldn't see you anymore.
Wow. So, back on the boat.
Yes.
Are you happy with your new record?
Yeah.
And for me the depth in the end was 21.8 meters. So I'm happy with that.
And also 59 seconds, like 1 minute, right?
1 minute, yeah. So that's our freedive video. Tomorrow we give a tour through the messenger. And it would be nice if you let us know below the video what you want to know about our boat, so we can take that into the video. And for now, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Peace out.